Back to the markets. Where are we now? The Dow is up 200, but the NASDAQ slipped south, down just 14 points. Eddie Ghabour with me now. All right, you know, I read your stuff. Everybody knows that. Why are you pivoting out of technology?
Stuart, as you know, for our clients and future clients, we are not a buy and hold firm, and we want to be dynamic in how we manage, and we want to own strength. So we are not abandoning tech by any means, but we are starting to see a broadening out of the market. So we're taking some profits after some big moves that we've been fortunate to have and broadening out into areas like financials that have shown strength, also materials, and we'll continue to do that. And this broadening out is extremely bullish. Yesterday was a great example. Over 80% of the S&P was in positive territory, even though the NASDAQ was down. And we think that trend is going to continue over the next 12 to 18 months.
Why is Apple a laggard?
So we've been bearish on Apple this year. It's not in our tactical portfolios at all because they have really fallen behind in the AI race and getting their butts kicked. We look at Apple as like a consumer staple of technology. Now, I'll tell you, at this current juncture, with how bad of a year they've had, and possibly getting some volatility in the August-September time period, it's probably not a bad entry point to start going into this, because if volatility picks up in tech because of earnings getting not beat, I think you'll see money flow into Apple. So I would be comfortable adding Apple here at this level.
Okay. Eddie Ghabour, thanks very much indeed. I know you'll be glued to the tape at 4 o'clock this afternoon and for the next week as well. Come back and see us soon. Thanks, Eddie.